Hey guys, functions in the Python. So I'm going to cover functions in Python. So let me show you how. Imagine you have a toy robot that can perform different tasks. Instead of giving it the same instructions over and over again, you can define a function to teach the robot how to do each task. Functions in Pythons are like special recipes that your robot follows to complete specific actions. I say what? Functions in the Python are like special recipes that your robot follows to complete specific action. So let me show you with the help of a simple example in a Python language. In this example, we have a function called say hello that makes the robot say a greeting. To define that function, we use the keyword def. That means is actually the definition. That is followed by the function name and parentheses like this def say hello. Inside the parentheses, we can we can include any necessity parameters, but in this case the function is actually so simple, so we does not need any kind of parameter to actually write this. So let me show you. Next is that we indent the lines below the function definition. We indent the lines below the function definition. In this case, we have only one line that prints the greeting, prints hello, I am your friendly robot. So that is actually printing hello, I am your friendly robot. So to use this function and make a robot say hello, we simply write say hello and the brackets, small brackets, and then we run that program. The function is executed and message, and the message is actually gonna print is it hello, I'm your friendly robot is printed on the console. So a function is like a set of, so let me conclude that. Okay, so a function is like a set of instruction that you define once and can reuse as many times as you want. It's like having a special button on your robot that you press to make it say hello. Now you can create different functions for different tasks, and each function will have its own set of instructions. It helps make your code organized and allow you to easily reuse and modify your own instructions whenever you need to do. I hope these explanations help make functions simpler to understand you. Let me know if you have any more question, any more query. If you have any more problem related to that concept, comment down below. I am there to help you. So guys, now we're gonna see you in an upcoming next section. See you soon.